Hi, welcome back to Christine's Home Affairs. I'm taking you on a bit of a road trip today. I'm going to pick up some stock for my shop. There's a pretty little town not far from us in Ruffy, which is Country Victoria, and they were a kind of an op shop or a Goodwill store where they were trying to make some money just from selling second-hand goods. It's not working for them with COVID shutdowns over the last 18 months or so. They've been really struggling and they just want to get rid of all the stock and turn their space into perhaps a pottery hub for the local community. So I'm off to go and clear out all of the stock that they've got in their space and hopefully give them some good money for it as well. Okay, so I've made it to Ruffy. It's a tiny little town with only a couple of buildings. And it was a bit of an experience driving up here as well. So it's quite a windy road driving up into the hills, and I had these little dips. Well, they were quite big dips going down on my side of the road. So it's going to be a much more relaxing drive going home because at least I'm not going to go over any cliffs. I'm just about to meet the lady here. She's just pulled up, so I'll go in and check out what it is that I'm actually coming to buy. So this is an old shelter shed which is part of a school. The school's closed down and it's just a little old shelter shed where, what did they used to keep in here? Bikes and things?
Shelter sheds, they normally kept some of their sporting equipment.
Oh, that's right.
A place for kids to have lunch.
That's right, yeah. So it's cute little room. I love the old doors at the front. So this was used as a bric-a-brac shop, a second-hand shop, just a fundraiser for the town. And these are the things that I'm coming to collect today. That table's staying, or that cabinet, but everything else in here is going to be packed up and hopefully fit in the territory. So there's some cute items in here. Some oars. Whoops. An old kettle, some pottery, fruit. Don't think I'll be eating any of that today. Some cute bric-a-brac here. That's cute. Some nice English china. Some retro canisters. Oh, nice old lady.
That's what I didn't realise while I was taking the photos. It's like, oh my God.
That's an interesting picture there. That's, yeah, quite nice. So, yeah, lots of stuff here. A head. I like heads in my shop. Okay, better get packing. Job's done. So I finished getting all the stock out of here, including 2 bookshelves and a little side table. And the only thing I couldn't get into the car were these 2 chairs and the tea chest. But I think I did pretty good. Alright, I'm back at the shop and ready to start unloading the car. So I'm going to put all of this out on the footpath so that you can see just how much is actually fit into the car. It's only a station wagon, not a station wagon, SUV. So I think I've done pretty well getting all of this loaded up. I have actually already started taking some things out. So I'll show you shortly everything that I've got. So here we go, the car's all unloaded and I'm going to show you all of this stuff. Picture frames, mannequins, oars, basket of bits and pieces, laundry trolley holder, or laundry basket trolley, some insulators, bits and pieces, a suitcase, all these crates full of stuff, and the boxes, fire screen, some more boxes, this trolley and another box, and these 2 bookshelves. They're quite big, quite heavy, and another box. So all of this stuff here I've managed to get out of this little old thing. Great job. So there we go, I finished unpacking the car, putting everything back in the shop. I've just stored it out in my storage area for now. Let me know what you thought of this video. Is there anything that you saw in the shed that you like? I'm going to wash up all of the stock. It's quite dirty. So once I've washed it up, I'll actually bring some of it out and let you have a closer look at it. There are some quite cool items. So let me know what you think. Would you like to see more videos of what goes on in my shop? If you don't, you're going to see them anyway, just warning you. So if you've liked this video, let me know. If you haven't, let me know. Any feedback is good feedback. So pop a note in comments down below. Hit subscribe if you'd like to see more of what I get up to and be kept up to date. So thumbs up, hit subscribe, all of that jazz. That'll help my channel. Catch you next time.